guys, we're back, and as you see, the box was pretty beat up. Let's hope the contents aren't beat up. There's some weird thing here that you could sort of cut out to open the box that way, but I'm just going to open it up the more standard way and see if it'll come out. And it came out, kind of. Here we go. You see the drone? It's, wow. It's much bigger than I expected. It looks pretty big. And on the bottom, there's this kind of little door thing, which allows you to see the remote control. Here's the remote control. See what we got. We got some spare props, a screwdriver, and the charging cable. There's some kind of interesting looking clip thing here. I'm not sure what that is. You have the instructions. 2 bits of manual. I'm guessing this is going to require an app to function, and has some QR codes for anybody who wants to take a look at those. And the drone has been attached by these 2 annoying things, and probably take me like a couple minutes to take them off, so I won't do that on here, but I'll see you in the next video where I will have this removed. Again, it's just these twisty things here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.